happy weekend. It's currently Friday. I have a 3-day weekend this weekend, which is literally so nice. So I'm kicking off this vlog. I haven't filmed a weekend in my life video in such a long time, and I feel like you guys really enjoy the New York City weekend in my life content. So bringing it back, I made a stop at Blue Bottle this morning. This is a New Orleans. It's literally so good. I think it's just iced coffee, oat milk, and like liquid sugar or something of that sort. I'm not entirely sure, but this is like my go-to order because I don't enjoy black coffee, but they also don't do flavors or anything like that, so this is like a happy medium for me. I don't get Blue Bottle all the time, but I felt like I should treat myself this morning, so cheers to that. Yeah, I don't really know what's on the agenda for this weekend. Today I actually have a lot of schoolwork I need to get done, and then I have to go all the way up to the Best Buy in Chelsea to get my camera fixed. The back of my camera is broken. I've done this whole thing if you guys have been along for the ride, and it's really driving me nuts, so I'm going to get like a consultation on it today, and if they try to charge me an arm and a leg for it, I might see if some sort of like local store can fix it versus Best Buy to see if that would be cheaper. I'm not entirely sure yet. I don't really know how this whole thing works, so I have an appointment at 2 p.m. I think it's currently 11:20, so I have a little bit before I need to go do that, but I need to definitely get ready for the day. I just cleaned up my apartment, as you guys saw. It was a hot mess. I feel like whenever I leave, I just throw things and then I come back to a messy apartment, which is not necessarily the best thing, but it happens. So I cleaned up that this morning. Have so much schoolwork to do later, but that's all a later task. But I just wanted to go ahead and introduce this video and say welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Welcome to a fun weekend in my life. Like I said, not sure what we're getting up to, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Also, side note, I just got this new case from Casetify and I'm actually obsessed with it. This is such a pretty shade of blue. And then I got my initials on the bottom in like cursive-y type lettering. And I just feel like it's super simple and it's like the perfect color for spring, and I'm really excited about it. Alright, this is the Ootd. I honestly don't know how I feel about this fit, but I'm being too lazy to change. So I threw my hair up in a little clip. I have my gold jewelry on. This is from Miranda Fry, Misguided, Ana Luisa. This jacket is from Misguided. It's linked in the recent spring clothing haul that I did. Jeans are Princess Polly. Vans. Have no clue where this white shirt is from, but this is the Ootd. I feel like this jacket is almost too oversized and I should be wearing it with like a dress or leggings or something, but I don't know, it's kind of a vibe. We'll see. I just needed something to throw on over this fit. Maybe I just need to wash it because I haven't washed it yet. I don't know. We'll see. Getting ready to run out. I think I'm gonna go to the bookstore. There's a few books that I actually want to invest in. I have been off my reading game lately, but kind of want to get back into it, and there's a few books that have caught my attention recently, and so I'm gonna head and walk to one now. I don't even know if there's one near me. I need to look that up actually, and then I'm gonna head and get my camera fixed and everything like that.
You drank too much. You said I only want you, only want you. When we woke up, you were gone. It was obvious. You only came through cause you had nothing to do. When we woke up, you were gone. You said you'd never ever let me go.
I am literally so freaking hot. It's not even funny. The weather is like absolutely beautiful outside. It's like 78 degrees and super sunny and amazing, but that means that it's very sweaty everywhere else. So I'm struggling a bit right now. I immediately came home and changed into some shorts because those jeans were not it. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I thought it was kind of cooler outside. I was wrong. Anyways, just got back. I did a lot of things, as you guys saw, but the main task was trying to get my camera fixed, and Best Buy, we'll wait for the sirens. Best Buy pretty much told me that they don't know how to fix my camera / wouldn't be able to fix my camera. They referred me to a camera shop that I walked all the way to and found out that it doesn't open till Sunday. So that's kind of been my situation. Also, sorry the lighting is changing here so much. I did make a few other stops. I stopped at some bookstores, Sephora, Trader Joe's. I bought these really pretty flowers because I need to fill up my flower vase. I think that these are hydrangeas, and I just like the color of them. I thought they were really pretty and they smell good, and I need to have something fill up my little vase that's been empty for like 3 weeks now. So I stopped at Trader Joe's and got these and got a little kombucha, so I need to go ahead and put these in some water before they die.
You just didn't wanna be alone. Sometimes it's better to be lonely than to fuck woke up somebody, you just didn't wanna be alone.
I think they look so good right there. I love this little setup. I need to dust off the top of that though, that's so gross, but I think this is really cute. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got from the store. Some new mascara from Sephora. I've been getting a lot of questions about like what kind of mascara I use. First of all, I just have naturally long eyelashes, so the mascara only helps like accentuate them just a little bit, but I use Glossier for the first layer, and then I use the Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. This is what it looks like, so you can screenshot it if you want to like ask the people at Sephora. And this is what the top of it looks like. So this type of mascara I use. I've been needing to get a new one because I haven't gotten a new one in a few months now, and I know you're supposed to change them out every few months. I literally think it's like 2 or 3 months that you're supposed to change it out, or like bacteria grows, I don't know. But I was well overdue for a new mascara. And then I went to the bookstore. I went to 2 separate bookstores. I went to Strand, which is like a local New York bookstore. They gave me like a cute little bookmark. I got The Defining Decade, Why Your 20s Matter, and How to Make the Most of Them. Now, I've heard really great things about this book. It's kind of a self-helpy book for sure, but I'm kind of into self-help books. I feel like they're just like very motivating, and I'm extremely excited to read it, and I've heard really good things about it. Next book that I picked up was from Barnes & Noble, and it's The Perfect Marriage. I actually heard about this book from TikTok, weirdly enough. The author did like a TikTok describing her book. And put a finger down if your husband cheated on you and then is now under a murder charge, or his mistress being dead and you're defending him in court because you're a lawyer and you're the only one that'll defend him. And I was like, whoa, wait, what? And then she was like, read about it in my new book, The Perfect Marriage. So here I am gonna read about it in The Perfect Marriage, because I couldn't even imagine your husband cheating on you, him being accused for murdering his mistress, and then you being the only defense lawyer like willing to take his case. That's an absolutely insane story, and it's a true story, but it's apparently like a psychological mystery thriller type book, and I'm extremely excited to read it. The words are pretty big, which is always important to me, and it's only like 300 pages long or so. I'm really excited to read this. And that's all I picked up. I was supposed to get my camera fixed like I was saying, but when I went to Best Buy, they were like, there's nothing that we can do for you, and you need to go to this camera store. Walk to the camera store. Camera store is closed, and then here I am. So now I'm back in my apartment. I'm gonna take a shower because I'm just really sticky and sweaty and feel extremely gross. I didn't take the subway like I thought I was going to. I just decided to walk everywhere just because it's like really nice outside, but like I said, it was hot, and I'm in cotton t-shirt and I was wearing jeans, so I sweat a lot and I feel gross. So I think I'm gonna take a shower soon, and then I have a lot of schoolwork that I need to get done. Schoolwork shouldn't take me too long, but I do want to put some focus into the group project just because it's not only my grade that depends on it, and then maybe take a sneak peek at the practice exam. I'm not entirely sure yet. May leave that for tomorrow night, but that's just kind of the plan for now.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away, as long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Space makes me sad.
Hello everyone, happy Sunday! I literally haven't talked to you guys since Friday, but I have an explanation for that. I'm so sorry that this vlog is kind of a hot mess, although I was editing it last night, and it might be one of my favorite vlogs that I've filmed lately, just because I feel like all the content is really authentic and it kind of shows you guys more of New York and stuff like that. So despite it being kind of a hot mess and all over the place, I really am enjoying editing it so far. But I feel like I owe you an explanation for literally dropping off Friday and then not talking to you guys at all yesterday, which was Saturday. So Friday night, after I sat on my floor, did the little haul for you guys, I ended up doing schoolwork for the next 2 to 3 hours. And then I went over to Williamsburg to my boyfriend's apartment, and we did like a pizza night and movie night. We watched the Godzilla movie because the Godzilla vs. Kong movie comes out Wednesday, and he's really excited about it. So we watched the Godzilla movie in preparation for the one that comes out on Wednesday. And then Saturday morning, we woke up and we actually left the city for the day. We went to this town that's about an hour and a half to a 2-hour train ride outside of the city. It's called Beacon. Literally the cutest little town. Like very upstate New York, very small town vibes. It had so many cute boutiques, coffee shops. We ended up going on like an hour and a half hike, which was straight up. I can hike and I like to hike, but I don't like hiking to the point where you're almost like rock climbing, and I feel like we were hiking to the point where we were almost rock climbing because it was so steep going up. So that was interesting, but the town of Beacon was so much fun. It was nice to kind of escape the city for the weekend, you know, get some fresh air, good vibes. So that's kind of why I didn't really vlog much yesterday, is because we were out and about, out of the city doing our thing and kind of just living in the moment. I didn't want to like whip out my camera and just start vlogging, but I did get some b-roll and some videos of the town, videos of the hike. Back to the hike really quickly. The hike was so cool. Despite it being like a rock climbing slash literally just a straight up incline experience, basically the story behind this hike is that way back when, like in the 1800s or something like that, these people had this brilliant idea to put a hotel on top of a hill, and the only way that you could get to the hotel is if you took like this tram slash trolley slash train up the hill to get to the hotel. Like you couldn't drive up there. It was supposed to be super secluded, like very nice, very bougie. The views are great. And then the hotel ended up burning down, and so all that's left of the hotel on top of the hill is literally like the base foundation and then a little bit of like the trolley machinery. So that's kind of like why people end up doing the hike, is because that's just kind of like a really cool historical landmark. And the concept of having a hotel on top of a mountain where the only way you can reach it is by trolley or like the little tram system they had is a very cool concept, but the fact that it burned down because fire engines couldn't get up the hill to get to it in time kind of makes sense as to why it didn't work. That's kind of like the background on the hike. It was really cool. If you guys are in the New York City area or if you live near Beacon, I would definitely recommend checking out the hike. I think it's called the Mount Beacon Trail or something like that. There's also a fire tower that you can hike to. That one was way longer though than the hotel hike, so we opted out of doing that. We might go back a different weekend and do that one. But cutest town, very fun hike, so good to get outside the city. But now I'm back. It's Sunday. I feel like I have a lot of work to catch up on. I have an exam that I need to take today for school, and then I have also a group project that I need to submit. All the information for the group project is completely done. I just need to transfer it to a Word document and submit it into Canvas, I think. And then I need to take my practice exam, prep for the real exam, because I haven't been doing great on these exams. It's a struggle. Overall, I'm just not having a great time with these exams in accounting. Not a huge fan. But that's kind of on the agenda for today. I also need to clean up my apartment because I haven't been back over here in a few days, it feels like. I feel like I've been all over the place, everywhere but here. I felt like I owed you guys an explanation for literally just simply dropping off the face of the earth after I said I was doing a full weekend vlog. So I'm going to take you with me on this Sunday reset type situation that I'm going to have going on. Starting with, I think, vacuuming my floor, because I'm sitting on my floor right now and realizing how dirty and dusty it is, which is very much so grossing me out. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get started with that.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah.
Alright, cleaned up my bedroom, wiped down a lot of the surfaces, and went ahead and did the dishes, and it looks so much better in here. Everything just looks super put together now. I'm actually getting ready to head to the laundromat. I don't really ever do my laundry at the laundromat. I have that little laundry machine that sits in the corner over there that I can hand wash my clothes in, but honestly it's a lot of work, and going home and washing my clothes last week in like a normal washing machine made me realize how much this little portable washing machine that I have in my apartment is like ruining my clothes, which makes me sad because my clothes are really nice and I love all my clothes. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and go to the laundromat, and I just went ahead and already separated my clothes. I have like colors in one bag, whites in the other, and I'm gonna spend like an hour or two there. Probably bring my laptop, do some schoolwork, and just do some laundry. Is it expensive? Yeah, but is it worth it to not have to buy like new clothes way more often than I'll have to? Probably, yeah. I'm still probably gonna use the portable washing machine that I have in the corner over there sometimes, like when I don't feel like going to the laundromat, but right now I'm in the mood and it's literally right down the street from me, so I don't see a reason not to go. So gonna go ahead and do that in a few minutes. I'm just chilling. I'm wrapping up a vlog. I was watching Tess Barclay's vlog and I've been obsessed with her videos lately. After I finish watching her video, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the laundromat, do some work there, hang out there for a bit. Probably take me like 2 hours or so, and then I'll come back here.
Everybody living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. I got problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
Officially back from the laundromat, and I put all my laundry away and hung up the clothes that were wet, as you guys saw in the previous little montage clip. I'm sitting down, I'm watching the latest episode of Grey's Anatomy. I didn't even realize that they released a new episode this week, but when I opened Hulu, I noticed that there was a new episode of Grey's Anatomy, so I'm currently watching that, and then I'm getting ready to also do my schoolwork that I've been putting off all day. Apartment's completely clean, laundry's all clean. I just feel so much better. The only thing left to do is take a shower because I'm feeling a little bit gross, but I want to finish at least half of my homework before I take a shower, and then my shower will be like a little reward, and then I will take my exam later tonight. But figured I'd give you guys like a little update on everything that's going on right now.
You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay.
It is a lot later. I finished my exam. I finished my practice exam. I took a shower. That's why my hair kind of looks crazy. And I'm getting ready to make some dinner and just kind of hang out for the rest of the night. But I wanted to end off this vlog before I forgot. So thank you guys so much for watching this weekend in my life. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright, everyone's looking like they know what they do.